Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this mini nail haul video today. Some of this stuff you might have already seen on my channel, and that's because I took a little more time to edit this haul video. But it's finally done, so yeah, let's see what all things I've got. First up, we have this nail art brush set from Bronze Professional. You get 3 different sizes of brushes and I feel the quality is really nice, but we'll know about that once I try it. I already have a similar 3-piece set that I've been using for years now, and the brushes have started to kind of wear out. So when I saw this on Nykaa, I thought let's try this. I'm gonna soon create something new using this set and maybe I'll keep you guys updated. Next, I have this really interesting palette ring, again from Bronze Professional. I've wanted to try it for so long and I'm actually surprised to have found it so easily. Like, Bronze is doing a really great job with their products and new launches. I'm impressed. So you basically wear this on your finger like a normal ring and then pour some polish on the palette and just get started with your art. This is like really useful when you're using multiple shades, and I just cannot wait to give this a try. Moving on, we have this heavenly hand malai from Nat Habit. It's lightweight, yet it leaves my hands feeling soft and moisturized. This is the walnut variant and I've bought the combo of 2. It's currently on sale on Nykaa, so if you guys wanna try it, go grab it. By the way, I've posted some Nykaa Pink Summer Sale recommendations on my Instagram, so don't forget to check that out. Now, I haven't been able to take care of my nails these past few months because of my job and all the other work, and I just needed to do something about it. So I bought this Juicy Chemistry Jojoba or Jojoba, whatever you wanna call, oil, and you guys know how much I love this for my nails. It helps strengthen and moisturize my nails and cuticles, and they look so much better and healthy. But in order to remind myself to use it multiple times throughout the day, I bought something else as well. These are some empty lip gloss bottles that I bought from Amazon. Super cheap, like $2.50 or so for a set of 5. I've already washed these nicely and filled in the jojoba oil. I also have recorded another video for the same and will upload it next. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Now, I have kept one bottle on my desk at home and one in my office purse so that I do not have any excuse for not oiling my nails. At first, I thought I should buy maybe a roll-on bottle, but then it made more sense to use this spongy tip wand instead. So I bought this. Last but not least, I have the new Sugar Cosmetics nail polishes. You all probably must have watched my sugar swatches and review video. So wait a minute, you guys haven't? Click the card appearing on the top right corner of the video if you haven't watched it yet. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!